Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JR and Winner came up with I Love You. Winner can do so much. What can't they do? Like catchiness, check. Vocals, check. Rap, check. Put the comments down below why you like Winner. Again, y'all, please go follow the Twitch. If you haven't caught me on Twitch, I'll be streaming at 6 p.m. PST tonight. Without further ado, let's check out Winner. I Love You. Let's get it, let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Winner, I Love You. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. And captions on. Ooh, a band? Damn, that's Sparkle. I don't know if you guys been following like the TikTok, but we already know that Winner's like hilarious at the same time. So it's all filmed. Okay. Ooh, he's so, oh my gosh. He's so pretty, by the way. I'm just saying, handsome. But my favorite is always Minho. People be sleeping on Minho solos too. Ooh, got the retro vibe too. But that, ooh, like that little effect. What an ear. Make it a little extra different, you know, just doing a regular like vocal. Oh my god, this man got no shirt on, you know. Okay, we get it, you got abs. What are they wearing? Oh, two different sides too. Ooh. What does this remind me of, like, what does that remind me of, like, G-Dragon's, like, Crayon when he was, like, in a, is that the same set as, like, the Hilly thing? Maybe, it might be. Oh, knight shining armor, what you gonna do for love? To be continued. Ooh, what an interesting shot, too. Ooh, even the dance is very retro too. The little Aw, this is cute. I actually kind of wish, this is very summery as well, but I wish this came out like a Valentine's Day too. That'd hit like pretty hard too, even during that time. But I'm just glad that Winner's back, because I missed him. We slow him down? Is it okay? What you gonna tell me? What you gonna tell me, girl? It's such a classic YG ending though. Hey, just like a party shot. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, you hear the vocal in the background too? What an interesting take on the I Love You. Yeah, so do the figurine. That's it? No way. Oh, but 4th mini album, Holiday. Definitely gotta check it out. That felt way too short. You know when a song is so good but it feels too short? That's what it felt like. I felt like I just wanted more. I thought there were gonna be more. Now we got it. I mean, I could watch it again, obviously. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Winner's I Love You. From the music video shots, each shot was pretty interesting. I'm pretty sure, was that the same hills from like GG's Crayon, maybe? I could double check later. Again, guys, I'll be streaming on Twitch at 6 p.m. PST. Be there, description. You can join the Discord if you want, if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.